Hi, I'm Nazreen from Eduquest. The old way of working is over. Slow processes, unclear communication, manual everything belong to another era. Today's teams need clarity, speed, and precision, and this program is designed exactly to help them work that way. We don't teach theory, we teach your teams how to use Adly, Voltade, Omnibot to remove friction from everyday work. Writing, reporting, planning, communication, so everything becomes faster, cleaner, and easier to execute. Every organization works different, which is why the program is highly customizable. We adapt exercises, examples, workflows to the way your teams operate across operations, HR, commercial functions, frontline roles, and HQ. Nothing is generic. Everything reflects your real environment. We focus on issues that quietly slow organizations down. Misaligned communication, inconsistent execution, handovers that lose steam, documents that don't match how work is actually done, processes that rely too heavily on individual memory. AI becomes the tool that supports to close these gaps. Everything is practical and immediately usable. Participants leave with ready workflows and decision structures they can apply on the same day, giving them more clarity, confidence, and control in their roles. When teams work with alignment and decision, organizations operate with more confidence, momentum, and far less friction. The old way is over. This is Skillsfuture Digital Workcase 2.0.